In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your website using Google Sites. This is a fantastic way to showcase testimonials and build credibility with potential clients or customers. Let's dive right in and break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. To get started, we need to visit the Google Sites homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Sites website. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you are logged into your account. This ensures that any changes you make can be seamlessly integrated and saved to your site. Now, to effectively add Google reviews to your site, we'll be utilizing a third-party service called ElfSite. ElfSite is a widely used platform for embedding customized widgets into websites, and it offers a straightforward way to integrate Google reviews. So, open a new tab and navigate to elfsite.com. Once the site is loaded, use the search bar to look for Google reviews. This will lead you to various templates designed specifically for showcasing Google reviews. When you find a template that best suits the look and feel of your website, select it and click on Continue with this template. This is a key step because the right template can seamlessly blend the reviews into your site's design, maintaining a professional appearance. With the template ready, the next task is to connect it to your website or business. You'll need the URL link of your site or the relevant business page. Paste this URL in the designated field on ElfSite and then hit the Publish button. This action will generate a code that's crucial for embedding these reviews onto your Google site. Switching back to your Google Sites dashboard, look for the Embed option, typically found in the Design or Edit menu. This feature allows you to integrate external content effortlessly. Take the code you copied from the ElfSite site and paste it into the Embed Code section on Google Sites. Ensure you paste it accurately to avoid any errors in displaying the widget. After pasting the code, proceed to save your changes. This action applies the embedded Google Reviews widget to your site, allowing visitors to view and assess the feedback left by others. It's an excellent way to not only enhance the visual appeal of your site, but also to reinforce trust and reliability with your audience. With that, we're all done. You now have access to a dynamic and visually appealing feature that displays Google reviews directly on your site. This feature can help engage visitors by offering credible testimonials from genuine users. Thanks for following along with this tutorial and happy showcasing those great reviews.